of shit went down in this apartment. Attention must be paid.
Woo! All right, it is closet cleaning time up in this bitch.
Girl's gonna get rid of a lot of shit.
That's the goal. So we are going through my closet today. We are gonna like pseudo Marie Kondo it. We're gonna pull everything out, go through one by one, and Danielle's gonna tell me what is fucking hideous.
Yeah, so like you're gonna need to get naked.
Pretty much. I'm naked under these clothes.
Oh, that's good.
And we're gonna drink some champagne.
Yeah, totally.
Or actually it's cava. But welcome. Hello. I'm Caitlin.
I'm Danielle.
And we are our time of the month.
Us together.
And we're gonna kick ass in a closet. So follow along if you wanna see me get rid of a lot of my shit.
What percentage are we going for? 30? 40?
Yeah, 25%.
We're gonna go for 30.
We're gonna try our best. I am
for the third.
I am moving in 3 months? 3
And
months.
your closet will not be this big.
No, I have a massive walk-in closet, which we'll go show you right now. So we need to make some improvements because there's no way that I will ever be lucky enough to have this size closet in the city ever again. And I have actually run out of hangers. I now can no longer hang all of my clothes all at the same time. And this is just my winter wardrobe.
Yeah, that's a problem.
It's a lot. So let's go take you on a tour.
Okay.
Well, no, let's pour some champagne first. Wait, oh, I'm getting that. Wow, it did not want to stay in there at all. Oh, I'm getting the back of your head.
You mean my beautiful updo?
Also, we have a studio light plugged in, so it's like really intense. Well, not right there. Wait, get in the really intense lighting. Yikes! Hi. Okay, so you want to pour that? Sure, do that. If you're not drinking when you're cleaning, you're doing it wrong.
I agree. Okay, welcome to Caitlin's closet.
Welcome to where the magic happens.
So this looks, what would you say, percentage-wise difference from what it did look like maybe a month ago?
A month ago it doesn't look that different. I have already started to weed out some stuff. Actually, I donate clothing regularly. There are two massive bags and one little bag directly to Danielle's right. But I do think that there could be a significant amount of improvement considering this is all just my winter clothing. I have bins and shoes. I have bins and bins and bins of clothes downstairs that are my summer clothes. So I want to eliminate a lot of this stuff so that I have space. I've also run out of hangers, but I refuse to buy more hangers because I don't need more clothes. There's a lot that can go. I also have an account on Poshmark. Feel free to find me and Danielle. Buy our shit.
Please.
So some of this stuff will get listed on Poshmark if it is nice enough. If it's not nice enough, I will donate it to Spark Women's Center in Pigtown in Baltimore.
So I'm just doing like a little overview so you can kind of see.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm seeing a lot of stuff that looks the same. Okay.
Yeah.
And then shoes, right?
Shoes. There's a lot of stuff I can get rid of here. I do wear black flats every day.
I would hope so.
As we go.
Oh, are these?
Those are shoes.
All right. All right. Well, the goal I think should be to get these on this.
Well, I don't necessarily feel the need. These are shoes. These are like heels that I don't, these are like nice heels that I don't really wear.
Okay.
So, I mean, maybe.
All right. So we're just going to get to it.
Yep. We're going to pull it all out and then put it all back in after I've determined if I really like it. If I have to try stuff on, we'll do it. Cool. But we're going to try and be quick about it.
Totally.
Yep. Okay.
And go. this.
I used to wear it a lot. I wish I could get it again, but it's see-through at this point, and it's uncomfortable for me to wear. This is a one-piece cardigan dress.
If you do not get rid
Danielle,
of it, we can't be friends.
It's like a sleeping bag.
You can't keep it.
Danielle, it's like the most comfortable fucking thing I've ever worn.
When is the last time you wore it?
I think I've worn it at least once this year, but
No.
last year I wore it a bunch.
No. No. Make it 60.
Well, I mean, that's 60 right there because it's hanging. The J. Crew one.
Okay.
So 60.
Okay.
I got rid of 60 fucking pieces of
That's
shit.
amazing.
That's insane. I think that's gotta be at least 25%.
I think it's a third.
I think it's up there.
That's a full bag. This is nearly a full bag, and that's a full bag that we got rid of over there. So,
Yeah.
like, at least 3 bags of shit.
I mean, I can't wait to put it in the closet.
Caitlin got rid of at least 60 items.
Over 60 items, I think closer to 65.
We haven't even tackled shoes, but that's coming next.
I barely even need the second tier of my closet now.
That's true.
We've gotten rid of so much. I mean,
Yeah.
it's at least 3 garbage bags.
We've done great.
Mm-hmm. It's been very successful.
Great job. I'm proud of you.
And we've been done it pretty fast.
I think so.
Because we only restarted this twice, right?
Yeah.
So that's 40 minutes. We did all of
Maybe
this.
I started it 3 times.
Okay,
This
this
was
is still
the
under
third
an hour.
Yeah.
Nice.
Awesome.
Okay.
We'll show you the final closet when we're done, though.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. Here's Caitlin's after.
You want to get in there?
Sure do. There we go. Here's her after. Look at all the space.
So
She basically cleared out the entire bottom rack. The floor's clearer than it was, and all the space on that back wall.
I still have to reorganize it, and then shoes.
She did get rid of quite a few pairs of shoes, and we took some that were stored in boxes and actually were able to put them on the shelves, and she still has space.
So Danielle and I both have Poshmarks. We both have been clearing out our wardrobes. If you are interested in purchasing anything that we got rid of today, just check them out. You are Juffle? Yeah.
I don't know. We'll link it.
We'll link it
forget.
to our Poshmarks. Everything will be linked there.
Yeah.
So we have 4 bags out here that are going to be donated.
They're big. Oh, wait. Maybe more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then
5. And then... And then we also have these 2 bags here.
this is my Poshmark.
Look at all the stuff she's selling.
So that will all be on Poshmark hopefully later this week.
Love. Great job. I'm proud of you.
Thank you. I needed it. I mean, whew.
So thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. This was a little bit of something different for us because Caitlin's moving in a couple months and she needed to clear out some stuff for her new place.
I think everyone needs to clear out some stuff, whether you're moving or not. I know you have too much.
I did mine in January.
I have to tackle that. Oof. But yeah, thank you very much. We'll see you. Oh, did we do like, comment, and subscribe?
I said like, comment, and subscribe, yeah.
Okay. So as always, watch our last video, watch our next video, watch all the videos. Thank you.
And we'll see you next time. Bye.